How do you solve for x in this beautiful logarithmic exponential equation where 2 raised to log 3 times 7 raised to log 42 equals 14 raised to log x? Now, where x is an element of positive real numbers. Now, how then do we find this? Now, very easy. Now, all we just need to do is let's break this down. Now take note that on the right hand side we have 14 raised to log x. Now, and on the left hand side, now you get to notice that if we multiply 2 and 7, we'll get 14. However, that's true, we must ensure that we have the same exponent before that rule can apply. And that is when we have, let us see, a raised to m times b raised to m. So if this rule, this gives us ab all raised to what? M. Again, let us also recall some laws of logarithm. Now in the case whereby if you have log a plus log b, now this gives us log ab, okay, because the argument multiplies. And when you have log a minus log b, now this gives us log a all over b. The argument divides. Now, applying this law, we'll be using it what? To resolve the value of what? X. Now let us go first, let us break this down, okay? And here we have 2 raised to log 3 now times 7. Now because I'm having log 3 here, I can factor out log 3 from here. So here we have log, then 3 times this 3, 14. Okay, now then equals 14 log x. Okay, now take note of this. It's the same thing as this, right? So which means we can transform it to this. So here we have 2 log 3 times 7, then log 3, then plus log 14, then equals 14 log x. Okay, now and according to the law of indices or exponent, if you have a raised to m plus n, this gives us a raised to m times a raised to what? N. Now applying this rule here, we end up having 2 raised to log 3 times 7 raised to log 3, then times 7 log 14, then equals 14 raised to log x. Now you can see that from this rule here now, we can apply this rule here. Okay? So by doing that, it means that the basis now multiplies, while we now have a single exponent. So this gives us 2 times 7 is 14. Okay? So then log raised to log 3, then times, now there's another rule in logarithm that tells you that if you have a base raised to a log with an argument b, this can also be b raised to log a. Alright, so applying this rule here, it means that the argument becomes the base and the base becomes what? The argument. So here we have 14 raised to log 7, okay, then equals 14 log x. Okay, now here now we now have the same base. Now let us take note. You have a raised to m times a raised to n. Now because they are having the same base, you will end up having a raised to m plus n. Now applying this rule here, since they have the same base, this becomes 14 raised to log 3, then plus log 7, which gives us 14 log x. And also according to the law of logarithm, as I earlier said, so if you have log A plus log B, this gives us log AB. Now applying that rule here, it implies that 14 will be raised to log, now 3 times 7 will give us what, 21, then equals 14, then log x. Now since we have the same base both on the left and the right hand side, it implies that we can equate the exponent, giving us log 21 equals log x. Now since log 21 equals log x, so what we just need to do here, by comparison, 21 equals what? X, and our x equals what? 21. Very easy. Please don't forget to share this video with other learners. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.